red cup back there is really bothering me, but I am just too lazy to move it. Hey guys, welcome. I don't know what that was. I always do that. All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to share with you guys some products that I have picked up, because lately I have been on a I just want to buy everything. If you don't know, I did take a break last year with buying things for my hair, simply because I just kind of felt like these natural hair companies were really just recycling old, I don't know, recipes, whatever you want to call it, products, whatever, and just sticking new labels on them and bringing out all these freaking collections, and nothing was working for my hair. It's like I kept, at one point in like 2017, beginning of 2018, I just kept buying and buying, and nothing was helping, nothing was benefiting my hair. And so I was like, well, what's the point? So I just stuck with a very simple regimen, very simple products, and that's what I've been doing up until maybe just like a month ago. So I purchased all of these products that I'm gonna show you within the last like 4 or 5 weeks. So it hasn't been that long. I haven't been like just purchasing stuff all willy-nilly in 2019, but I have been picking up some stuff kind of here and there. They may be old to you, but friend, they are new to me. So just watch the video and bear with me, because I think I'm pretty excited about most of these products. So anyways, let's just get right into it. All right guys, so the first thing I wanted to share with you guys was it's actually the only deep conditioner that I've picked up, and I'm so glad that I picked it up, because I am like 99.9% sure that it is probably gonna be a staple in my routine from here on out, because I love it that much. And it's the TGIN. Thank God it's natural. I used to say thank God I'm natural, but it's natural, not I'm. But I'm it sounds much better, doesn't it? Anyways, it's the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It's a triple moisture replenishing conditioner. So I do have type 4 hair. As far as this mask goes, it smells freaking amazing. Let me just put that out there. It smells like fruity, type of tropical, something like that. And crap has to smell good, you know, for us to use it. So that's just one thing that I have to say. But other than it smelling good, it works. This is so moisturizing, hydrating, moisturizing, whatever you want to call it. This is a bomb hair mask, deep conditioner. It went onto my hair so smoothly, and that was the main thing, was that once I applied it to my hair, I remember just feeling like I felt like my hair was instantly moisturized. And it kind of felt like I didn't need to use a leave-in conditioner after it, which I still did because I always do. But if you have not picked up this mask, then you definitely need to. And I purchased it at a BOGO because, like I said, this stuff is just not cheap. You gotta catch it on sale, you know what I mean? You got to catch this stuff on sale. So I bought it at a BOGO, and I picked up the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. Love this shampoo as well. I would definitely buy these two products over and over again. So this shampoo did not strip my hair. It definitely cleansed it and kept the moisture in. So love this. I'm a fan, and I don't need a lot of it either in my hair. So if you have really thick hair, you would definitely love this, because you're not gonna run out super fast. It does lather very well as well, and it says it's gently moisturizing. See, I didn't even read that, and I told you it was moisturizing. So these two are amazing. If you have not picked up these two TGIN products, you need to. So next, these three products I picked up at my local beauty supply, and they are the African Pride. One is the Shea Miracle Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. The other is the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula. That's another leave-in conditioner. And then the last thing that I picked up was the Maximum Strength Growth Oil. As far as this oil, smells good, but I'm gonna be honest, I haven't really used it, simply because I have two other oils that I've been using instead that I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. As far as the two leave-in conditioners, I haven't tried the shade one, so this one in the orange, but I've been using this one here. I don't know if you guys can see that because I just don't know if you can see it. I do love the smell of it. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's not super thick. See? It's kind of like a really light, creamy, it's like a creamy consistency. I will keep using this. I bought 2 of them, one for my husband and one for myself. So one for us to leave upstairs in the bathroom and one for us to leave downstairs in our bathroom, so that we'll both have it, because he does have a lot of hair on his head as well. So yeah, we will be using these. So next, you guys, 2 products from Camille Rose Natural. One is going to be the Almond J Twisting Butter, and the other is going to be the Cocoa Nibs and Honey. I think that's right. Ultimate Growth Serum. About the Almond J Twisting Butter, this is not my first time using this. When I first went natural, Camille Rose was one of the lines that I gravitated towards, and I tried this butter and I hated it. I absolutely hated it for my natural hair, and so I gave it away to my sister-in-law without like barely using it. But now honey child, now I love this butter. I've only used it once or twice. No, I've used it, how many times have I used it? No, I want to say I've used this twice actually. And I don't know, I don't really care about the whole for twist outs and that kind of stuff and blah blah blah. I'm all about moisture. So if my hair does not hold a twist out or a braid out or whatever, I'm so used to that, it doesn't even bother me anymore. I'm all about moisture and how it makes my hair feel, and the Almond J Twisting Butter is amazing. It gives me shine, moisture. I will definitely keep purchasing this as long as my hair is in love with it, because it ain't cheap. $16. Anyways, and also as far as this growth serum, I like it. I have been using it since I purchased it. Have I noticed any growth? I can't tell you, because I've only been using it probably for like 4 weeks now. So I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say, oh my god, my hair is down my back. It's not too heavy. It's just almost perfect, just about. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. I like a good medium, and this gives me a good medium. So I'm curious to see just how this is gonna like continue to work for me, but so far I like it and I don't have any regrets on buying it. I've been on a Camille Rose kick. Next is gonna be these other 2 products from Camille Rose. It's the Lavender line. So this product, this is the Shaken Hair Spritzer. It's a hair refresher and detangling spray. Oh my gosh, you guys, I actually used this product last year. There was one certain product I used that I just got so much moisture from, and so I wasn't too worried about all these like leave-in conditioners, and I remembered what it was, and it was this hair spritzer. This hair spritzer leaves my hair so moisturized. Like, I have been cornrows now. I've had these cornrows in for like 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks or whatever, and I spray my hair with this every single day. I use it on my son's hair, I use it on my husband's hair. It's just so hydrating, so moisturizing, and you don't need that much. So I love this. I will continue to buy it. I'm so mad that I only bought it like once and then stopped using it, but I was buying a whole bunch of products then, and that's what happens when you just keep buying all these products. You forget about the good stuff. So yeah, love this, love this, love this. Also, I purchased I purchased the whipped cream leave-in conditioner from Camille Rose from the Lavender line. It says it's an intense moisturizing leave-in cream. I don't agree with that. I will not repurchase this product. You can tell I barely used any of it because it just doesn't do anything for me. So I use it in Isaiah's hair, and I'm going to see how it works in Darren's hair as well. But as for me, I would not repurchase this. I kind of want my money back, but I'm just going to go ahead and keep it. I got 2 other people in the house that I could use it on, and yeah, it just didn't do anything. There was no moisture, there was no nothing else. I'm not gonna keep talking about something that don't work. All right guys, so next, I've used this before, so this was another repurchase. This was another product that I purchased right when I went natural 4 years ago, or however long it's been, and that's the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. It's okay. I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I spray it on my hair, it doesn't really do much for me, but it's not horrible, if that makes sense. I just decided to try it again just because I saw it in Target, and I just wanted to give it another try just in case, you know, it turned out to be like the Almond J twisting butter. It did not. It did not turn out like that, but I'm gonna go and see. I've been using it, and I feel like you kind of use a lot because I don't know, I just don't feel like, well, that and me, Darren, and Isaiah use this, but anyways, it's okay. It just doesn't make my hair feel that moisturized, but I'm gonna finish using it up and see if I can tell the difference, because sometimes it may not make it feel super moisturized, but maybe it's doing more than I think it's doing for my hair. So last but not least is a edge control, and I picked up this edge control because I saw my sister-in-law. She's an undercover product junkie. It's ridiculous. So my sister-in-law, she had this, and I was like, okay, let me try it. And this is the Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down Super Edge Control Gel. It does have coconut oil and argan oil in it, and it is white. It's a white gel, clear gel or whatever. It's not bad. And let me tell you why it's not bad. One, it's only $5. And Miss Jessie's stuff is expensive. So for her to come out, I didn't even know she came out with one. I'm probably like 10 years late on this. But for her to come out with a $5 edge control gel, I was like, okay, I can go ahead and try an edge control for $5. It's not horrible, but it's not the best. Will I repurchase it? Possibly. I will possibly repurchase it. Probably though only during the cooler months, like the winter time. You don't even get winter here in Houston really, but during the cooler months, winter time, it works very well on my hair during that time. It's been like, it's 85 today, and I put this on my hair today, and my edge is like, nah, plan. That ain't doing nothing for us. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to share my purchases with you. I know I didn't go into like super depth on all of these, but I want to keep it honest and real with you guys that I've only had them for like 4 weeks max, I think. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. Let me know some products that you are really loving. I want to get my hands on a few of the Main Choice. Main Choice just came out with like the Proceed with Caution gel, because I'm really wanting to do a wash and go on my hair. This will probably be my like 3rd attempt in my entire natural hair journey that I do a wash and go, but I want to get my hands on that and a few other things. So if you have something that's highly moisturizing that you just love, period, let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.